In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your Steam is not downloading games. Now first what we can try is you open up Steam, click on Steam up here and go to settings, and then you'll come in here. From in here you want to head over to downloads, check your download region that it's set to somewhere close to you. I live in Denmark, so this is perfect. Another thing you want to do is find throttle downloads while streaming. Turn this off just like this. And another thing is clear download cache. Click on this to clear the cache. Now after you've done all of this, you can head over to storage, click on the three dots right here and repair your library. Now once you've done all of that, what we can try is come down here to cd, type ipconfig /flush DNS, just like this. Now that you've done this, there's another thing that we can try. We can open up our Windows firewall real quick. Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app through, click change settings right here, and then look for Steam. Now you should see Steam and Steam helper in here. Make sure both are ticked. If you cannot find them, what you can do is press allow another app, press browse, and then find your Steam from in here. Mine should be on the D drive somewhere, Steam. And then you can put the steam.exe right here. Now once you've done that and you make sure both are checked, another thing we can try is we can update our network driver. So come down here and search for device manager. In here, what you want to do is you want to find network adapters, and you should have either your Ethernet connection or your Wi-Fi something. Right click on it, update driver, and search automatically. Now I already have the best one in here, so I don't need to do that. Now another thing we can try is come down here, search for run, just like that. Type in % local app data %, press OK, and this will open up. Now in here, if you have a Steam folder, you can delete this one. If it's saying you cannot delete it because Steam is open, come to Task Manager in here, go to Details, click anywhere, press S, and look for Steam. Now it should be up here. Close down steam.exe by ending the task, and then try and delete it again. Now, if none of these work, what you can try is simply a clean reinstall of Steam. So come down here to Apps and Features, search for the Steam, click on it, uninstall, and then reinstall it. Now, I really hope any of these helped you. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.